Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best license plate backup camera in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best license plate backup camera. Starting at number 5, we have the DoHonest V25 backup camera. DoHonest V25 is one of the powerful camera setups that's loaded with various features. The screen size of the monitor is 5 long inches to provide you with an accurate display. On top of that, the feature that makes this camera stand apart is its digital connection. The digital connection of this camera allows you to connect the camera to the monitor without the need for any wires. Everything is connected over long-range Wi-Fi that does the job even in a high-moving vehicle. Here, you'll get the utmost picture quality of 1080p to provide the sharpest and accurate display. You'll face no difficulty even in the compact parking zones with the help of their image projections. Another intriguing feature that'll blow your mind is its monitor, which provides you with effective features. There is a smart switch that allows you to perform 5 different functions. This includes switching the guided lines, converting the images into the mirror or normal modes, and even changing the screen sizes as well. Moreover, here's the best part of the monitor. This LCD screen supports dual channels. Thus, you can buy another camera for the front and connect it with the same monitor. This will save you a ton of money if looking for another camera for the front. Talking about durability, that's also top-notch. Its IP69 protection against dust and water makes it favorable during harsh weather as well. Not only this, the company provides you with the 2 years of warranty to have the utmost trust in it. Moving on at number 4, we have the Amitfo A2 backup camera. Amitfo A2 provides you with the complete setup. You'll get both a camera and a monitor with it. The quality that the company provides is top-notch and is trusted by thousands of people already. Let's jump into the details for more insight. Starting with the smart monitor that has 4.3 inches of the screen on it. The best part here is you can configure the screen settings according to your preferences. Here you can easily change the brightness, contrast, saturation, tint, and language of the monitor. To provide the best sharp image into this monitor, the camera records everything in 1080p quality. Having such a picture quality will always help you to get the actual insights into the back of your car. On top of that, the 150 degrees of viewing angle will lead to no disappointments. Here comes the best part you can have as a buyer. The company provides you with a warranty period of 2 long years. This also reflects the trust of Amitfo in their products. At number 3, we have the Natika backup camera. The Natika brand is generally known for bringing powerful devices to the market. The very same goes with this backward-forward camera. It's equipped with most of the top-notch capabilities and features. These facts make Natika cameras stand apart from its competitors. To provide you with the most HD quality display, this camera is equipped with the latest CMOS camera. The 1/2.7-inch image sensor is responsible for providing sharp images and maintains the same function to the whole coverage area. Its vast coverage area of 170 degrees is something that can be even used in an RV without any doubt. At the same time, cameras will have no difficulty in providing you the same picture quality even at night. Its low lux rating of 0.01 lux conveys the whole story. Coming to the durability factor, the company doesn't hold back anything. The complete camera is properly glued and sealed so that 0 water droplets can enter inside. You can completely rely on the words of IP69 water resistivity here. The best part of the Natika backup camera is, it allows you to put your complete trust in it. The company's trust in its product directly reflects on the warranty policies. For starters, the 2-year warranty period is enough to indicate the quality of the camera. In addition to this, the company also provides you with a money-back guarantee of 30 long days. Thus, there's nothing left to worry about. At number 2, we have the LeeKooLuu LK3 backup camera. The LeeKooLuu company has now firmly settled in this industry. Their multiple products have been successful in recent times. And the same goes with its LK3 backup camera. It has more than everything you'll require to have a convenient parking experience. The upgraded IP69 waterproof resistivity is here to get your back. You'll not have to think twice about taking a ride during heavy rainfall or snowfall. The water droplets can't even enter inside the camera. Coming to its LCD screen that increases the convenience level to the roof. It is a 4.3 inches screen that's enough to have a clear view of what's happening at the back. This screen lets you customize the parking lines according to your comfort. You can choose from the mirror view or regular view, in case you wanted to use it as a front camera. Adding more relief to you through its LCD screen. This screen is surrounded by a magnetic bracket for utmost stability and rotation. It allows you to rotate the screen up to complete 360 degrees to get the most comfortable view. Also, the flexible mounting options allow you to place the monitor on the dashboard or windshield. The LeeKooLuu LK3 provides you with 1080p picture quality. Watching such a crisp and clear display on a 4.3 inches screen will give you the most accurate assumptions. For night vision, the camera is equipped with 6 white LEDs. You'll face no difficulty using it during the night or in low light areas. Want something extra from this amazing product? This time, you'll get reliability. The LK3 comes with 2 long years of the warranty period. The lifetime tech support here is like the cherry on the cake. And finally, at number 1, we have the Erapta ERT01 backup camera. Recently, Erapta has gained a lot of trust among their customers. Their top-notch quality products do the work efficiently and last longer than the expected range. Its ERT01 backup camera has played a vital role during this time. This camera serves best for every type of vehicle. Whether it's a hatchback vehicle or a large truck car, you'll face zero difficulties. Its wide viewing range of 149 degrees provides you a large view of what's happening at the back of your vehicle. Its clear picture quality is where the complete game changes. The camera uses 6 glass lenses to provide you with a sharp and vivid display in any environment. To tackle the dark or nighttime, there are 8 LEDs around the camera. These LEDs provide enough light to the camera for utmost visibility during a dark environment. Here, even at night, you'll face zero difficulties while parking your car. The Erapta ERT016 comes with top-notch durability as well. It is equipped with the most advanced waterproof resistivity of IP69 ratings. Thus, no matter how snowy or rainy the weather is, you'll not have to worry about the camera.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.